What's up YouTube? Christian here, and today I'm taking over the Illiminate channel.
Yup.
We're gonna, basically what we're gonna do is we're going to replace the bag on Melissa's front strut because unfortunately some mistakes were made and she has a hole in her bag. So the new bags just came in. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace them while Randy, on the flip side, is gonna be working on his 240 outside.
Yup, well, I actually got it starting and we actually reversed it out with the engine on instead of pushing it this time, so super stoked. Almost there. I don't know if I'll make it to the next drift event, but there's gonna be another one the week after, so.
Hey, how does it feel to actually move your car with the engine?
Feels fucking good. There's just some minor things that we gotta work on. I'm leaking a little coolant from the turbo where the line connects, but that should be an easy fix, so.
Dude, we've been pushing it in and out of the garage, dude. It was fucking sucked. It took like the whole crew to move it, but now it's all good.
Yep, I'm excited. So, hope you guys like today's video. Let's get started. Alright guys, while Christian's doing that, I am going to put on my bumper and my hood because everything's basically done. He's working on the seafoam. Yeah, I guess let's fucking do it. Oh, there we go, it's coming out. Alright, rev that sucker. Rev it to about 3,000. Woo! No, that nasty shit. Vape life, baby, let's go! Hey, Kevin, is this a Subaru, bro? Oh, look at Christian's car getting fucking destroyed by the smoke.
Dude, that's fucked up, man. Getting all this white bullshit on my car.
Alright guys, what do you guys want to see Kevin do first to the car? Lower it? Wheels? New engine? Let us know down in the comments below. I say get some wheels, over fenders, and a kit. Oh, that'll be sick. Smells like shit in here.
Alright, check it out guys. This is what happened to the bag. Completely fucked it. Thankfully the other side was just fine. There was clearance, but for some reason this side didn't clear, so we're gonna go ahead and replace the bag and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Meanwhile, Kevin's over here turboing his KA, and then and then Randy is I don't know what he's doing over here, to be honest.
I'm cleaning up my bitch.
Alright guys, so to remove the bag, I just took off the 17 mil on top, took off the 2 bolts holding the lower mount to the hub and the end link, and don't forget the brake line. You don't want to forget that. Drop it and then all of a sudden break the brake line. So that's how you take it out.
What's up everybody? It's me, Christian. Move out of the way, Christian. I'm gonna show you guys how to install bags today. So, yeah, Christian, take over.
Alright guys, so right now we're figuring out how to remove the bag from the strut. We're gonna try out this rope thing, stay tuned.
What's up guys, it's Mexican Christian. We're here making these gooks work.
I never took mine off.
So I'll be Christian following.
Let's go check out my 240. I went sliding yesterday. Shit was epic. You know, I just fixed my lip the other day. As you can see, let's check it out. You know, pretty low to the ground. Yeah, you know, fire almost touched the ground. Could swear I was on bags, but you know, no grill. But it's coming in, coming in. Trust the process. Listen to me explain how I got this out.
Wrapped some rope around it so my boy can get some leverage to keep it in place. And we actually got it to break. So
Got to break.
The filter is too soft. Like it's
basically done. Alright guys, just show you real quick how I did it. I used the little 3/8 drive ratchet to stick it in the lower mount there and make sure the collars are locked here. Then what I did was I used my breaker bar and wrapped some rope around it so my boy can get some leverage to keep it in place. And we actually got it to break. So I'll show you guys right now. You can see it spinning right now. It's basically done. So after we did that trick, the bag is loose. So we tried holding it up here by hand and breaking it. It did not work, but you gotta think, use your brain. Alright guys, so here is the old bag, here is the new bag. Brand new. About to install this bad boy right now. Let's get it. Alright guys, so when you replace the bag, it's really just a direct replacement. The hardest part is getting the bag off, so once you get the bag off, you can go ahead and just stick this in. And then thread the beach back in. So once you get the initial threading in, you should be able to just rotate it on. For this part, I recommend getting a friend. That should be good. So once you get the bag on, you thread it like as tight as you can by hand. Just go ahead and put the leader line back in. If you don't have any Loctite on the threading, I recommend using Loctite, the one for like air compressors and whatnot.
Let me show you guys a little thing I learned from Christian. So to air up the bag, fart up! Come on, air up the bag, you fucking pussy. Car's looking good again. I just need to throw on some side skirts. I'm gonna do that right now, actually. Shut the fuck up, Thomas. I'm fucking filming here.
You're not filming.
Yeah, I am.
You're not.
Yeah, I am.
You're not.
I am now.
Fuck. You still not.
I jump on your bitch like water. I splash on your bitch with the water. I feel like I'm 21 Savage. I pull up and fuck on your daughter. I jump on your bitch like water. I splash on your bitch with the water. I feel like I'm 21 Savage. I pull up and fuck on your daughter. Water, yeah, water, 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 okay, water, what, water, drip, water, splash, water. I jump on your bitch like water. I splash on your bitch with the water. Splash, water, water.
Oh, look at that. That looks illegal as fuck. At least in California. Car's looking really good. All right, guys, so we're gonna grab some food. I'm actually letting the... I poured water all over the 240 so it could soak up anything that's fucking stuck on there, and then we'll go back and then we'll re-clean everything.
You didn't pour water, you sprayed water on you.
Yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
Well, what are you gonna say, man?
No, I was just trying to say yeah, like a lot of times. Need help?
Could you try and hold the bag in place?
Yeah, sure. Okay, ready?
Don't let it move.
My ass.
Try to prevent it from you moving. Fine, it's good.
It's
I
good?
don't think it's gonna move at all.
It's good?
It should be fine.
Cool.
Yeah,
Teamwork.
good.
Makes the dream work. All right, while we're waiting for that thing to dry, KT and I are gonna go grab some food, so we'll be back. We out, bitches.
Randy fell asleep today while he was vlogging, so we thought we'd take over, show you how to wash a Honda Civic Hybrid. You gotta get spray that shit. Ready? Check this out. Watch out if you don't want to get wet. It's raining up this bitch, ready? Got stuck. Alright guys, so while Randy's asleep, a package came in today. It's a Vietnam sex toy. Are you ready? Big ass box, I wonder what it could be. Oh shit. Kinky. Oh, oh shit. Are you the Vietnam sex toy Randy ordered?
Yes, I am.
Damn, like life size. It's kind of ugly, but Randy has weird taste in men.
Okay, so I just took a quick little nap, and then quick little nap turned to, I guess, about 2 hours. So I'm too lazy to wash the car now, but I think Christian and I are gonna go to the skate park. We're gonna try to do something a little different today. Ooh, you're ready, you're ready. Let's go. Let's head to the park. Do something cool.
Yeah, come on.
Raver slut.
Cool.
Go dancer, raver slut.
Yeah. Go dancer, raver slut. Ooh, neglected. I need to clean up this trunk. But let's take the day off and do some skateboarding. Andale, way, muchacho!
Somebody need to paint?
Focus, you fucking damn, so handsome. Oh! Yo, this is the first time Christian's ever going to skate with us in the past like 2 years that we've known him. Christian used to skate and he used to be really good.
Nah, I suck that.
He probably sucks now, but the cool thing about skateboarding is muscle memory. So he's gonna remember how to do a lot of stuff, but it's not gonna be 100%. So stick around with us, have fun with us today. We have what? We have like another hour of sun left. Let's see what we can do. All right, guys, we miscalculated. The sun's setting in like about 30 minutes, but fuck it, we're just gonna go skate anyways. We're going to Roosevelt Skate Park, mine and Andrew's local skate park we grew up skating in. What's up, Tommy? What's up, dude? You trying to get into the vlog?
Illiminate crew to the skate park, dude.
Hell yeah!
Sick.
Trying to get something for the vlog real quick? Hit the rail, first try. Whatever you want, bro. It's been a minute.
I'll just try to switch my board. I'll do video.
All right. What's up, Tommy? Oh, switch! It's a make, it's a make. Oh! Woo! What the fuck?
First dropped in ever.
Oh, fuck. Mikey just got here. We're gonna hit 4 people on the rail. Let's go. You ready?
Do it.
Let's go. Oh! Oh!
Pretty clean. Oh shit! You should have landed on his board.
You guys should have landed on your board, bro.
Yeah.
Ow!
Oh. Yeah. Oh shit.
Sorry, dude.
All good, all good. Oh! Oh shit! Yeah! Oh!
It's a make! It's a make! It's a make! Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that was tight. Oh, it's a make. Ooh. Oh, that was so clean. Alright guys, we're gonna be leaving the skate park right now. It's getting a little too dark. You can't really see much on the camera. Yeah, we're gonna go grab some Slurpees and just kick it for a while, I guess. It's time to get that victory Slurpee. Oh, dude, that looks freaking fire. I'm going. Oh, look at this. Oh, dude. Alright, we're gonna have to try both. Oh, dude.
Oh, dude, look at this.
Oh, I missed.
Alright guys, so today was a success. Fixed the bags and went to the skate park with the boy Randy. It was a fun ass time. I can't skate anymore, but I did the best I could. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. Also, if you haven't done so already, check out my website for some merch. Lucrative Co, you already know.
If you guys want to see more footy like this, head over to Christian's channel and subscribe. I might be taking over his channel real soon, who knows?
Hey, let's go drifting, yeah?
Yes.
Boom.
Almost done.
Catch you guys next time. Later.
Alright, give back the camera, motherfucker. This is my channel. Bitch.